Hello everyone and welcome to the debut episode of CDN TV. I'm your host, Paulo Dunley-Bletto, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News. With me here today is Alex Shan, the CEO of Jolera. They're a solution provider based in Toronto. Also with me today is Mark Bryant, the CIO of PCL Constructors, Inc., an Edmonton-based construction firm, who's winning rave reviews for their latest building, the Museum for Human Rights in Winnipeg. And also with me is the president of Dell Canada, Kevin Piesker. Today we're going to explore how high-tech vendors such as Dell work with solution providers in the channel to solve major customer issues from companies like PCL. Mark, tell me how you go about choosing a solution provider.
Well, when we look at solution providers, Paulo, we look at several key things that are very critical to our success. So one, we want partners that we can trust, partners that improve our time to market, partners that reduce our cost, and partners that provide us with innovative thinking to take us in new directions that we haven't been to before.
What did Jolera bring to the table?
Well, Jolera's been a partner in organizations that I've worked with for a number of years, and they've always been very effective at providing us with new ideas, cost-effective solutions. You know, they're always thinking outside the box, and so when I think of things that I want to do for PCL, I don't want us to be following, I want us to be leading.
What were the IT challenges that PCL were facing?
Well, there's not one specific challenge, Paulo. There's always a number of things that every organization faces relative to IT challenges, and I think that's why many of us are in the industry. And so, you know, when I was brought into PCL just over a year ago, there wasn't one specific thing that we needed to tackle. There's a number of specific things that we wanted to tackle, and so there's many large projects that we're working on. There's a lot of infrastructure that we're managing and maintaining. Cloud computing is really prevalent in the industry, as you would be aware now. And so, you know, I've referred to earlier that we want to drive cost-effective solutions. And so, you know, we had a plethora of hardware solutions as one example out there. And one thing that was brought to the table through the Dell-Jolera relationship was just a more cost-effective way to get, you know, general PC equipment, storage, servers to the market. But we're also looking at other things around cloud computing, shared services in the marketplace, shared storage in the cloud. So there's a number of things out there that we're looking at beyond.
Alex, what kind of expertise did Jolera bring to PCL?
So I would say for PCL, part of the real value we brought was going out there and sourcing all this stuff. You know, we're not in the business of pushing hardware per se. We're in the business of pushing solutions and meeting clients' demands from a strategic perspective.
As a solution provider, you have a lot of choices. Why did you choose Dell?
Dell has been a partner of ours for over a decade now. We chose Dell for a very good reason. They have a wide variety of products and services that they made available to the marketplace. And they're continuously innovating, acquiring, and bringing new technologies to the marketplace. So for us, it's easier to deal with you know, a few key partners that have a good plethora of products and services that we can leverage and bring to our clients. Dell has a great support system in place. They have great training programs in place. And the value they bring from just a price perspective is unbeatable in the marketplace right now.
So Kevin, what were the Dell solutions used in the PCL project by Jolera?
From a PCL, Jolera, Dell perspective, the solution that we enacted for the customer really did encompass our overall breadth and depth of the Dell portfolio. In the data center, servers, storage, software. In the branch offices, our desktop and workstation solutions. And then for the mobile workers, very importantly, those folks out in the field driving business, it was our laptop products, our Latitude set, and our tablet devices. Overall, an end-to-end engagement with PCL.
So Kevin, what's changed since 6 years ago when you launched the Partner Direct program, where a company like Jolera is able to win a major deal from a company like PCL?
Paulo, I believe there are three key elements enabling our channel partners. Number one, it's the trust that we built up over the last 6 years. Number two, it's the depth of skills and capabilities that the partner community itself has been building through their own individual investment and development of their people. Number three, it's about the breadth of the Dell portfolio, which is considerably different and considerably enhanced over what it was a number of years ago.
Kevin, thanks a lot for joining us today. Alex, Mark, thank you for joining us as well. That's it for the debut episode of CDN TV. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Paul Dunley-Bletto for CDN Computer Dealer News. Thanks for watching.